Hey everyone! In this video, we're tackling a super frustrating WordPress issue, the error of too many redirects. If your site is stuck in an endless loop of redirects, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and get your site back on track. First, what exactly is the error too many redirects? Imagine trying to visit a friend's house, but every time you knock on the door, you're told to go around to the back and then back to the front over and over again. That's what your browser experiences with this error. It means your site is stuck in a loop of redirects, preventing it from loading properly. Now let's talk about what causes this issue. Here are the most common culprits: misconfigured website addresses. If your URL settings are mismatched, it can cause redirect loops. Outdated caching. Old cached data might interfere with new settings. Corrupt htaccess files. A misconfigured htaccess file can send your site into a loop. Conflicting plugins and themes. Plugins or themes that handle redirects can clash and cause this error. Move on to how we can fix this error. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Clear browser cookies and cache. Open your browser settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, and click Clear Data. Step 2. Disable plugins. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, select all plugins, and deactivate them. Then, reactivate each plugin one by one to find the culprit. Step 3. Check WordPress URL settings. Access your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings General, and ensure your WordPress address and site address are correct. Step 4. Reset htaccess file. Use an FTP client or your hosting control panel to access your site's root directory, rename the htaccess file to htaccessold, and generate a new one by saving changes in your WordPress permalink settings. To prevent this error from happening again, follow these preventive measures. Keep your plugins and themes updated. Double-check your URL settings for consistency. Use reliable plugins for redirects and avoid creating multiple redirects for the same URL. You have it. By following these steps, you can fix the error too many redirects and keep your WordPress site running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.